more hours, Pipes. There's a lot of breaking news. I gotta get the next edition out.
You always say that.
I know, but this time it's big. I mean, the mayor wants to construct saunas in every public building. And he wants to make swimming at the pool mandatory.
That doesn't sound very important.
Look, just don't worry about it. It's grown-up stuff, okay? I'll be home by 9.
But it's already 9:30.
I meant 9 in the morning.
You're gonna work all night, but it's Christmas Eve.
Look, Piper, when you love something like I love this newspaper.
More than you love me.
No. Don't make me choose. Look, the people of this town, they rely on me to provide timely news from the newspaper of record at an affordable price.
Okay, fine. I'm calling Mom for a ride home.
What are you doing?
You need a fire starter.
Hello? Breaking news? What breaking news? The mayor wants to require assembly meetings to be 7 hours long? That's madness. Yeah, I'll get something in this week's paper. Who's there? Who's there? Stay away. Who is it? Stop bothering me. I have a newspaper to get out. It's only 7 hours until deadline. Marley! You crossed over from the paper years ago. What are you doing?
I'm forever chained to the media of Haines. I've come to show you what your life will be like if you continue down this path.
This path? What do you mean?
Kyle, you should be home with your family. It's Christmas.
But I have to get the paper out. It's due to the printer in 6 hours.
You will see. Ooh, fire starter.
That was weird. Why is Marley here? I gotta get this paper out. Well, at least Piper's sleeping. I wonder what she's dreaming about.